Welcome back to my channel. This year I will be doing project 10 pen and it will be a usage goal. So I will be rotating through my collection and each update I will be choosing 10 items that I will use them at least 10 times in a month before rolling them out. In this project will be everything except eyeshadows, and in the beginning I will work on one concealer, one foundation, two bronzers, two blushes, one highlighter and three lipsticks. But once I rotate, let's say, through all of my highlighters or my blushes, then I will put in also other products such as primers, setting sprays, mascaras and eyebrow products. But I will start with these categories because I have a lot of them. So for foundation, I will be working on this Catrice Nude Drop Tinted Serum Foundation in shade 010N. Concealer will be from Maybelline called Super Stay Active Wear in shade 10. Then I will be working on this powder highlighter from Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in shade 10, Be My Highlight. I will be working on two blushes, one is cream and one is powder, so this is from Tarte in shade Exposed and it looks like this. And also from Essence, Baby God Blush in shade 10, Tickle Me Pink. It looks like this and it swatches very pink. And this is the first cream blush that I will be ever using. Then I have two bronzers. One is from Benefit Hoola and it looks like this, and I'm hoping that I will hit pan on it this year. And then from Too Faced called Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is completely new and it looks like this. And then I have three lipsticks, so they are all from different brands. So each update I will be working on one mini, one full lipstick and one more sheer lipstick. So for full lipstick, this is from Lisa Eldridge in Rouge Experience lipstick in shade 179 called Society, and it looks like this. And I have it in this refillable packaging. Next is Clinique Almost Lipstick in Pink Honey. It's more sheer and it looks like this. And then is this Charlotte Tilbury Mini in shade Icon Baby. And it looks like this. So again, my goal is to use each of the products 10 times before I roll it out. And for lipsticks, I will also count each reapplication as a use. So here are all of my products for January, and let's see how many of them I can switch for the month of February. But until then, bye!